Hi, in last episode I showed you how you can connect pgadmin into your local supabase instance, but right now I would love to show how you can connect psql to your local supabase instance, because this is also very important and I don't seen anything like that on YouTube before. So here we go. First thing first, you need to do this. You need psql, but I hope that you already have it installed, and you need Docker desktop. So I'm gonna open my IDE. I'm using Android Studio, but it's really not important. It's not specific to any IDE or any technology. Right now I'm using Flutter, but it's really not important for this video. So when you're in your project folder, you need to do supabase init. I spelled it wrong. Supabase init. Yes. Okay. And right now I should have this supabase folder. Yep, it's created here. As you can see, we have config.taml and seed.sql. Great. So what we need to do right now is to start our local supabase instance. So type supabase start, supabase start, and empty supabase instance should be created. Let's hope so. It's gonna take some time, but it should not be very long. At least if you are doing it not the first time, because first time it needs to download some images from Docker and it can takes a while. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of information, but here what we really need is this studio URL. So you can open studio URL. It's opened in another browser, but let me move it here. Okay, and this is our project. Let's go to table editor, and I'm gonna open just some test table just to have something in our psql to show. Okay, it's really not important what we are doing it. The most important thing is that we have one table and it's called test table. Okay, and right now the most important thing is that we need to connect with our psql to this local supabase instance. So I think that I'm gonna just open the terminal. Let me do it full screen. And right now we need to type psql dash -h or dash. I don't know exactly what this minus is called. Localhost space -p, and this is gonna be port, and port we can take port from this. As you can see here, we have this information, and port is specified exactly here. So in my case, it's 54322. I think that this is the default port. You can change it in your config.taml, but the default is good for me. So 54322. Let's do it again. 54322. Okay. Now -d to specify the database, and the default database is Postgres. And the last thing I think is the user. So the user is also Postgres. When I'm gonna tap enter right now, I think that I'm gonna be able. I think that the psql gonna ask me about password, and the password is exactly the same as database and the user, so it's also Postgres. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to show you that, but I'm gonna type Postgres exactly like this. So the username and the password is the same. Okay, progress. Okay, as you can see, I think that I was successfully able to connect to my local supabase instance. And right now what I can do things like -d. So as you can see, for example, we have everything here. We have test table. Maybe this is not the best. This is the best way to show my tables. So as you can see, this is a proof that I'm connected to the local instance. I have exactly the same table as I created here. Yeah, so I think that that's all for now. I don't want to make this video too long. We can close this terminal. psql we don't need anymore. And the good practice is always to, at the end of your work, just do supabase stop, just to don't have any containers working in the background. You know, it's always taking some resources. So yeah, and right now you are good to go. And that's all for now. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.